If you're thinking about getting a college degree, one of the most common questions asked is, what major should I choose? What the heck should I study in college? Well, I'm going to put a new spin on that. And in today's video, I'm going to walk you through what major you should choose if you want to earn a college degree significantly faster, like have the opportunity to graduate in months instead of years. So if that sounds good, let's dive in. If you are interested in earning a college degree faster, just subscribe to the channel. Let's jump over. I'm going to throw up a list first. Now, here's the thing. It is all obviously going to depend on your career that you have in mind. But I'm going to throw up a list here and we're going to walk through a bunch of different options. In my opinion, these are the easiest majors to hack or accelerate. And then we'll walk through how to choose between these majors. So as you can see, here's my list. Easiest majors to hack: business degrees, management, leadership, human resources, marketing, accounting, finance, supply chain management, healthcare management, project management, degrees like that are kind of business focused. Very simple to accelerate these majors. Now you can also accelerate tech majors. Tech degrees are really hot right now. We're talking IT, cybersecurity, data analytics, network or software engineering, computer science, cloud computing. Teaching degrees, fairly simple to hack or accelerate. Elementary education would be among the easier. Special education, or you can even specialize in like math, science, English, history, things like that. And you can do that for lower level grades like elementary level grades, or more advanced for junior high and high school. Those can all be accelerated. Now, I didn't really know what category to drop these into, but psychology degrees can be accelerated. History degrees, political science degrees, liberal studies degrees, criminal justice, English, journalism. Now, this isn't an all-inclusive list. This is just a good place to start. Okay, there are other majors that can be accelerated and hacked, and I mean, you can even hack your undergrad and then go to law school or medical school or things like that. You just got to get a little bit more creative with the process. But as far as the most simple degrees to accelerate, this would be a really good place to start. But the question is, like, what degree should you choose? Now, this is a list of degrees that are easy to accelerate, but here's the thing. Choose a degree that's most beneficial to your career. A lot of people go into college thinking about what they are interested in studying. Now, that can be a mistake. You should be going into college thinking, what job do I want to get when I graduate? That's a better way to approach college if you're going to college for the reason of career benefits, okay? Which is probably 90% of students that go to college are going to college for the purpose of, I guess, taking a step forward in their career. So what the heck do you want to do, right? What do you want to do? That's the biggest thing you should think about. And a lot of people don't even know what they want to do. Look at jobs out there. And I mean, you're on YouTube, like go to YouTube and you can search like day in the life videos, day in the life of an accountant, day in the life of a business manager, day in the life of a cybersecurity specialist, like a bunch of different jobs. You can just look on YouTube and see what the day-to-day life looks like for those particular jobs. And then another thing I highly recommend is looking at job openings in your area where you live. Sometimes people live in big tech cities and tech degrees are in high demand, and it's really easy to get jobs with like a cybersecurity degree. Other places, geographic locations, there are, let's say you live in a small town, but there's a big hospital there, and the best employment opportunities in the town are in a hospital. Well, maybe you want to get a healthcare management degree. Look at what jobs are available in your area. Unless you're willing to move, then do whatever you want to do, right? But those are some things to think about. Now, I like to kind of take this list, and the reason I'll put this list back up here again really quick. The reason I wanted to cram everything all in one little column of this list is if you want to screenshot this, you can, and then pull it up on your phone and you can just explore this list for ideas. In my opinion, these are the easiest majors to accelerate. If you do want to accelerate a degree and graduate, I mean, I graduated in 9 months with a full-time job and a wife and kids. Like in my free time, I've seen people go as fast as 3, 4, 5, 6 months. I've seen people get master's degrees in 3 months. This process that I call degree hacking helps you get degrees a lot faster and kind of take control over how quickly you go through school instead of leaving it in the school's hands, instead of the homework assignments and the quizzes and all that. Just subscribe to the channel and you'll start seeing more videos of me teaching those tactics. If you want a step-by-step, I have a video, I'll leave it in the description, a 3-step process, like the 3-step process of degree hacking. You go through those steps and you can graduate faster. I'll leave a description to that. I call it the degree hacking tutorial. I'll leave that down below in the description. So I hope this video has helped. Like the video if it has. And yeah, hope you have a wonderful day and I will talk to you in the next video.